Customer interaction and communication. Introduction to the module. Effective customer interaction and communication are essential in retail, significantly impacting customer satisfaction and loyalty. The quality of customer service directly influences how customers perceive their shopping experience, highlighting the importance of exceptional communication skills. This module will explore the fundamentals of customer interaction, focusing on understanding customer needs, active listening, verbal and non-verbal communication, and strategies for handling difficult customers. By honing these skills, retail assistants can greatly enhance customer experiences and foster long-term relationships. Learning objectives. By the end of this module, you will be able to identify and understand customer needs and expectations, employ active listening techniques to enhance customer interactions, communicate effectively using verbal and non-verbal cues, develop strategies for handling difficult customer situations professionally, implement practices that foster long-term customer relationships. Understanding customer needs. In the context of retail, particularly for a retail assistant in the UK, understanding customer needs is essential for delivering exceptional service and fostering loyalty. At its core, this involves recognizing what customers are looking for beyond the obvious. Customers may express a desire for a specific product, but the true need often lies in the solution the product provides. For example, a customer purchasing a winter coat isn't just seeking warmth, but also comfort, style, and durability. Retail assistants need to be attentive to both the explicit and implicit cues customers give, from their verbal request to their body language. To effectively meet customer needs, retail assistants must ask probing questions. In UK retail environments, a polite and inquisitive approach works well. Asking open-ended questions such as, "How do you plan on using this product?" or "What do you want to achieve with this purchase?" allows retail assistants to gather more specific information, leading to more personalised recommendations. Moreover, cultural awareness is crucial. Understanding cultural nuances helps assistants tailor their approach, making sure the customer feels understood and valued. Equally important is empathy. Retail assistants must show genuine concern for the customer's experience. This means listening closely, not rushing the interaction, and offering suggestions based on the customer's needs rather than simply trying to close a sale. By prioritising customer satisfaction, retail assistants contribute to a more positive and fulfilling shopping experience, encouraging repeat business. Active listening and verbal communication. Active listening and verbal communication are the pillars of effective customer service, especially for retail assistants who deal directly with the public. Where customer service standards are high, the ability to engage in meaningful conversations with customers is essential for fostering positive shopping experiences. Active listening. Active listening requires retail assistants to go beyond just hearing words. It involves fully engaging with customers. This means focusing on what the customer says, processing both words, and non-verbal cues like tone and body language. Key techniques include maintaining eye contact, using gestures such as nodding to indicate understanding, and avoiding interruptions to show respect. In the fast-paced UK retail environment, an assistant who listens actively stands out, reducing miscommunication and making customers feel valued, which enhances their shopping experience. Verbal communication. Effective verbal communication is essential in customer service and complements active listening. Retail assistants must articulate clearly, offering product details in an accessible way without oversimplifying or patronising. Tailoring language to match the customer's knowledge level, using layman's terms or industry-specific language as needed, is crucial. Tone is equally important. A warm tone fosters friendliness, while a confident tone helps when explaining policies or addressing complaints. Politeness and courtesy. Politeness and courtesy are integral to positive customer interactions. Using courteous phrases like please and thank you builds rapport and can transform potentially negative exchanges into positive experiences. However, retail assistants must balance politeness with assertiveness, especially when clarifying policies or managing disputes, ensuring customers feel both guided and respected. Building trust, combining active listening with clear verbal communication helps retail assistants build trust, fostering customer loyalty and satisfaction. In challenging situations, these skills allow assistants to de-escalate tensions and demonstrate care, encouraging repeat business and positive referrals. Handling difficult customers professionally. Handling difficult customers is a key aspect of UK retail, where high service standards are expected. Challenging interactions often stem from frustration or aggression. Recognizing these behaviours enables retail assistants to approach each situation with tact and professionalism, maintaining a positive shopping experience. Acknowledging frustration. The initial step in diffusing a difficult situation is to acknowledge the customer's frustration. Simple statements like, "I understand how that could be frustrating," can significantly ease tensions. Retail assistants should avoid taking comments personally, as customer anger often stems from the situation rather than the assistant. In the UK, maintaining politeness even amid rudeness is essential. By staying composed and professional, assistants uphold the store's reputation and demonstrate their ability to handle pressure effectively. Finding solutions. After acknowledging a customer's complaint, finding a prompt solution is vital. Retail assistants should adopt a problem-solving mindset, whether the complaint involves a defective product, a misunderstanding of store policies, or dissatisfaction with service. Offering options such as refunds, exchanges, or additional assistance shows customers that their concerns are taken seriously. When a quick resolution isn't possible, clearly communicating the steps being taken helps maintain trust and demonstrates commitment to resolving the issue. Knowing when to escalate. Additionally, retail assistants must recognise when to escalate issues to a manager, especially when they cannot resolve them at their level. Understanding this process prevents frustration for both customers and assistants, ensuring efficient resolution. Mastering these strategies enables retail staff to navigate difficult interactions and enhance the overall customer experience. Non-verbal communication in retail. Non-verbal communication is vital in retail, often conveying more than spoken words. In the fast-paced UK retail environment, non-verbal cues significantly impact a retail assistant's effectiveness. Awareness of body language, facial expressions, and gestures communicates attentiveness and professionalism, enhancing customer interactions and fostering a positive shopping experience. Body language. Body language serves as a powerful non-verbal signal in retail. An open posture, where the assistant faces the customer directly with arms uncrossed, conveys approachability and readiness to help. Conversely, crossed arms or slouched shoulders may suggest disinterest or impatience. Retail assistants should maintain body language that reflects engagement, creating a welcoming atmosphere for customers. Eye contact. Eye contact is vital for building rapport with customers. Regular, moderate eye contact during conversations helps customers feel heard and valued. However, assistants must balance eye contact with other tasks, ensuring customers do not feel ignored, even when attention is divided. Facial expressions. Facial expressions carry significant weight in customer interactions. Retail assistants should maintain a friendly expression, even in challenging situations. A smile can instantly make a customer feel welcome, while negative expressions can create discomfort and detract from the experience. Gestures. Gestures are vital in nonverbal communication. Actions like nodding show engagement, while pointing to products clarifies communication, especially for visual or tactile items. Small hand gestures can enhance explanations, ensuring customers feel understood. By mastering these cues, retail assistants can significantly improve customer interactions and overall satisfaction. Building long-term customer relationships. In the competitive UK retail landscape, fostering long-term customer relationships is vital for sustained business success. Retail assistants are key players in creating positive and lasting impressions, transforming one-time shoppers into loyal repeat customers. Achieving this requires consistency, genuine engagement, and a commitment to customer satisfaction that extends beyond mere transactions. Personalization. Retail assistants should prioritize personalizing customer interactions. remembering previous visits or purchases, and showing genuine interest in individual preferences can significantly enhance the shopping experience. For example, a clothing store assistant might recall a regular customer's preferred sizes or styles, allowing them to make tailored suggestions. This personal touch fosters a sense of value and encourages repeat visits. Follow-up service. Follow-up service is essential for building long-term customer relationships. Simple gestures such as checking in with customers who have experienced product issues or expressing gratitude for their patronage are impactful. Exceptional service is highly regarded, and proactive engagement reflects quality and increases customer loyalty. Loyalty programs. Loyalty programs effectively foster long-term relationships, offering incentives for repeat purchases through discounts, point systems, or exclusive offers, encourages customers to return. Retail assistants should be well versed in these programs and explain their benefits clearly and persuasively. Trust building. Trust is essential for building lasting customer relationships. Retail assistants can foster trust through transparency, honesty, and reliability. By admitting mistakes, resolving issues promptly, and providing accurate information, they make customers feel valued. Prioritizing these elements enhances customer loyalty and contributes to the overall success and reputation of the business. Highlights from this module. From this module, you have learned the following points. Customers may express a desire for a product, but their true need often lies in the solution the product provides. Active listening requires retail assistants to process both words and nonverbal cues like tone and body language. Maintaining politeness and professionalism is essential when handling difficult customers. Body language, eye contact, and facial expressions play a vital role in creating positive impressions. Personalization and follow-up service are crucial for building long-term customer relationships. Thank you. You have successfully made it to the end of this module.